Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to be teaching us the best way to cut our yoke. The best way. When I mean the best way, we usually have some ways we cut our yoke. Some persons use the facing method to cut their yoke. Some persons use this particular method, which I've done. So if you want to check this in, and make sure you go and watch my previous video. Yes, I think I've done this video already. I posted it. Go and watch it. You know how to do this particular yoke. For those of you that are wondering why this place open, is because I used a pattern paper. Pattern paper, we don't have to waste the other side. Do you understand? So that's why you're seeing it this way. So just imagine there's something here also. So now look at this particular yoke. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? This is one of the most official yoke that people actually do, and they think that everything is perfect. Now I'm going to be showing you the most perfect type of yoke that when you learn it, I promise you, your customers will no longer be having problems with their shoulder. Especially when those people, when they will have problem, you notice that when they want to bend down, they will tell you that the shoulder is very tight. That is a yoke problem if you don't know. So in this particular class, you are going to learn that. So now, what is the difference between this particular yoke and the one I'm going to teach you? It's more like the same thing. Do you understand? Now the difference is in the fabric. Now there's something I want to teach us. You see this particular yoke you are seeing? Yoke does not just, it's not like it's just a design of your clothes. Do you understand? Yoke is more like it helps the fitting of a cloth. So when you sew it as just a design, you are lacking one of its importance. Do you understand? That is the fitting. So this particular video is mainly focused on the fitting aspect of this particular yoke. So it means that if you use this type of yoke and fix, it means that it's rigid, it's not flexible, it's not stretchy in any way. If the person bent and that part is very, very tight, this person is very, the shirt is very fitted, the thing might tear, do you understand? Or the person might be very uncomfortable when it comes to bending. But there is a way to solve this. And which way is this to solve this? You have to make this yoke stretchy. Just make your yoke stretchy. It doesn't matter the fabric you are using. Make the yoke what? Stretchy. So how do we make this yoke stretchy? So let me loosen this thing out so that we can be able to understand this very, very well. I'm going to be loosening this out so that I can be able to explain this yoke. So whichever one you are using to cut your shirt, please know that it is also very okay. But it's not a bad thing if you learn more. Now, I want to show you guys something. This thing actually came out from this. Do you understand? Look at it. It's the back pattern of your shirt. Do you understand? It came out from this. So because it came out from this, I had to cut it out. And some persons will be asking, where exactly did you cut it out? It is at the midpoint of from here to here. Remember, this thing used to fold this way. Do you understand? So from here to here, your armhole length, the midpoint, is where you cut it out. Cut it out. Do you understand? So next thing you are going to be doing is keep this one side. Next thing you are going to be doing is get your pattern paper or your fabric. Now I say pattern paper. This particular one is not pattern paper. It's just because I'm using pattern. It must be fabric that you are going to be folding. Now look at what I'm actually doing. Normally, when you see people, they want to fold, they fold this way. But now, anything you fold this way can never be stretchy. But anything you fold this way, diagonally, like a triangle, will always be what? Stretchy. You now add that stretch. We call it the bias grain. Do you understand? On this line. So, now, in order to do that, you guys know, for female especially, the way you cut your fillet. Are you seeing how this thing is? Are you seeing? Sometimes when you want to cut your fillet, you fold it like this. Are you seeing how I folded this? Diagonally. So if I want to cut this yoke out now, this is an awkward way of folding, but now I'll place it like this. I will cut it out. You will never know that it was folded this way. The yoke will still come out the way it's supposed to come out. Do you understand? But the only difference now is that the other one that you cut the other way is not stretchy, while this particular one is what? Stretchy. So that when the person wears it, the person can bend, can do anything. Do you understand? With the shirt, even if the shirt is very fitted. So because I need two of this, I will not just cut this one like this. Do you understand? All I have to do is to fold again so that I can be able to get double. Are you seeing it? Now I can be able to get double. Are you seeing it? So next thing you have to do is to get a pin and pin it down. Make sure everything is okay. Next thing we are going to be doing, guys, is to do what? Cut it out. Okay, so let's cut it out. So okay guys, so now when you are done cutting it out, now look at it here. Are you seeing it? But there's something I forgot to tell us, please. There's something I forgot to tell us. Whenever you see that time you are cutting it, please make sure you add extra 1 inch to this particular one. This one is supposed to be longer with what? 1 inch. Now for those of you that don't understand what I'm saying, now look at it. Look at it. As you are cutting it, just make sure that, are you seeing this particular one? Look. Are you seeing that this one is longer with 1 inch? This 1 inch now is so that you can be able to use ½ inch sew it. Here we take half, then this part is going to take what? Half. Okay, so that is the reason for that. Then now you have finished cutting it. Let me show you guys how to join it. Now I want you guys to see something. Let me arrange this. I've already labeled it. This is the right side of, this is the wrong side of the cloth. This is the wrong side of the cloth. Are you seeing? This is the right side and this is the right side. For those of you that don't understand what I mean by the right side and the wrong side, the right side is that part that when you wear a cloth, the part that people are actually seeing, not the inside part of your cloth. While the wrong part is the one that, the place that people are not seeing. So now, for those of you that will still want to ask me, why is this into half? It's because I'm working with a pattern paper, I'm not working the fabric. If I'm working with the fabric, I will get the full this thing. You understand? So in order for us to fix it, I want to show you something. You don't place the wrong side like this. You have to be facing the right side of your body. Your body. Do you understand? Then this is the yoke. Like I said, right side, right side. So next thing you have to do is just know that this one has to enter in between them. Do you understand? That is the idea. It has to. So for it to enter, this front one, you have to turn it this way. Remember, we notched it so that we can get the center point. Then this particular one, are you seeing it? Still turn it like this. Are you seeing it? Okay. So at the end of the day, when we have gotten it like this, on this particular yoke, the wrong side is going to be facing you. Are you seeing it? The wrong side is going to be facing this side. So next thing you have to do, centralize it so that you can be able to sew half an inch. Now I'm going to be using a pin to do the stitching. Now when you are done, turn it out and iron it. Okay, are you seeing it? Turn it like this and iron. Do the same thing on this particular part. Turn and iron. So by me looking at this, are you seeing right side, right side, right side? Are you seeing the yoke? Both sides are the right side. The wrong side are just inside. Are you seeing? The yoke is 2, while the body is what? 1. Now, some of you might be looking at this as if it's the normal yoke that you make. But the difference with this one and that normal yoke that you make, that this one is actually what? Stretchy. Now, in order to like, you know, surprise you more, I want to like let you know that if this is a striped material, a material that has straight lines, do you understand? Let's say this material is striped this way. Are you seeing it? Let's say the body of this material is striped. On this particular yoke, this is how it's going to be looking. Something like this. Because you folded it in a bias form. Do you understand? Okay, but this particular one is under the one I listed in my previous video as the one that is called the one piece that you cut in bias form. There's the one that we call the 2 piece. The 2 piece is the one that the center part of the yoke must be what? Joined. Do you understand? And that particular one, what it means, see, do you know what this one line means? It means that yes, your yoke is stretchy, but it's stretchy only on one side. Do you understand? Now that 2 piece is the one that, in order for you to make it to be stretchy on both sides, the left and the what? The right. That is why you usually see all those shirts that the yoke, you have this design. Now look at it. This is the center part. You see all those shirts that you have a design like this. Now let me show you. All those shirts that you have a design like this. Now look at it, guys. All those shirts that you have designed like this. Are you seeing it? It is not just a design. They are just trying to tell you that we actually cut this in this particular 2 piece form and also in a bias form. Do you understand? So what this one does now, this is the best among all of them. What this one does now is that even if you shift your hand from this side, the cloth will stretch from this side and the cloth will also stretch from this side. But I want to let you know that whichever method that you use out of all this method, it is very, very okay. Do you understand? Go ahead and use it. But depending on the project which you are working on, determines the one to use. So my work in this particular class or in this particular video is just to let you know, so that you will not just be, you know, just like that. You don't even know that this thing actually exists. Thanks and may God bless you. In case you still want to learn how to draft all these shirts, all these trousers, remember I have a book, The Perfect Dress Cutting Guide. That is the name of this book. All you have to do, if you're on TikTok, make sure you click on the first link on my bio. Purchase this book. I'm going to be giving you videos of the contents that are inside that particular book. I just want you to know that you only buy the book. The video is at my own discretion, just to help you get a better value of that particular book. Then if you are on YouTube, I want you to check around this particular video, either below this video, around this video, or on in the description box, or you can scroll small. You see a book on a red cover, The Perfect Dress Cutting Guide. Click it, it will take you to a website where you are going to purchase this book. If you're in America, Australia, any part of Europe, Please, I want you to make sure, if you want to get this book, the hard copy especially, make sure you check your comment section. The comment section, you can see the link there that will take you to Amazon, or you can directly go to Amazon and type the perfect dress cutting guide. Make sure you get the hardcover version, which is known as the paper cover on Amazon. Thanks, and may God bless you. I love you.